At ODP Business Solutions, we're by your side to meet your evolving education needs. Maybe you're looking to upgrade your district with the latest tech, like this. Or you need a couple hundred notebooks. How about some new tables? We've got this one, and this one. Need solutions to keep one school clean? How about 8? We've got you covered. And if you want a brand new state-of-the-art media center, we'll make it happen together. And what about sustainability? We love green. Greener products, greener services, greener outcomes. And the best part? You can get it all from a single supplier. Nice, right? All to help you simplify ordering and streamline budgeting while staying compliant with easy access to cooperative contracts. However you want to advance, ODP Business Solutions has 30 years of experience to keep your campus and students ahead.